let's talk about cleaning the burette. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take the burette from the shelf and we're gonna clean it with deionized water. We're gonna make sure that the rubber ring is not too close to the burette, so we're gonna close it and we're gonna open it, and we're gonna make sure that it opens and it closes quite nicely and not very tight. Then we're gonna pour water inside. We're gonna pour about 1 inch of water inside of the burette. We're gonna open the stopcock and make sure that it pours out quite nicely and there is a nice stream going out. Then we're gonna tilt the water back so it goes pretty much to the top. And then we're gonna tilt it back. And then we're gonna rotate. Then we're gonna tilt and then tilt back and rotate again. Tilt, tilt back and rotate again. Tilt and tilt back. And then we can let the water out through the nozzle into the waste beaker. You do not have to let all of the water out so that we do not get the air bubble inside of the nozzle. And then we can repeat it again for the total of 3 times with water. After we're done rinsing with water, we can repeat the same process with our titrant. In our case, this is our sodium hydroxide. So we're gonna pour sodium hydroxide into a beaker. And then we're gonna pour that into our burette. There's 2 ways to do that. We can use a funnel. Some instructors prefer using a funnel, and some people prefer just pouring from the beaker into the burette. Make sure that the stopcock is closed, and we can pour our titrant inside of the burette. And the same thing, about 1 inch of the titrant, and then tilt it, and then tilt it back and rotate. Tilt it back and rotate. And then pour it into the waste container and repeat.